Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Baz, and this is part 3 of our series on fine tuning the large language models using Unsloth. If you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 yet, I highly recommended you to check out and grasp the fundamentals of fine tuning and its importance and various application method. And in part 3, we are diving into the practical aspects by fine tuning Sesame CSM 1B model. To develop a personalized voice assistant tailored for my eyewear brand, I need a compact yet powerful text to speech model, and I choose Sesame CSM 1B. With 1 billion parameter, it's efficiently transformed the text audios into realistic speech outputs, and many enterprise organizations are adopted Sesame CSM for their personalized gadgets due to its compatibility to facilitate human-like conversations. Let me demonstrate how to fine-tune this model using Unsloth. And you know Unsloth is open source tool that designed to optimize fine-tuning the process. Before I start, I wanted to tell you right why I choose CSM1B to fine tune it. It's powerful speech generation model built upon the Llama architecture, and it's understand the text and audio output into the realistic human speech outputs. And let's start fine tuning. And let me inform you how to do a fine tuning workflow. I have set up the environment setup and installed Unsloth and necessary dependencies, which I have highlighted here. In the model loading, I'll load CSM1P model from Unsloth, right? And I have given the model name with Sesame slash CSM1B. And then I have I've given the maximum sequence length is 2048. That's a contextual size which I'm defining towards it. And I've taken the fine tuning configuration. I applied LoRa, the low rank adaptation for efficient fine tuning. So the model, and I've given the LoRa alpha 16 and LoRa dropout to 0 to maximize my fine tuning with random space 3407. I prepared a specialized dataset for text to speech, which is into the Parquet form, and I have loaded the dataset, which is going to be customized for the particular use case here, which is going to be formatted to the fine tuning. And I have configured the parameters into a batch size 4, and I've given a maximum steps to 16 and learning rate 1E4 with seed 3481 3084, and output is the Sesame 1 fine tune. So the fine tune models is gonna comes up, and let me hear from uh, um, it. So, and it's gonna, I have given the prompt. Let's run this model, and I have given a prompt. We just finished fine tuning a text to speech model, and speaker ID is 0. And I have given that speaker ID and text into it, and I have asked to create into the audio rate 24,000. Let's hear. Just finished fine tuning text to speech. Okay, so it's understand the whatever the text prompt which I have given it, and it's try to say here. Let's hear one more text to the one.
Sesame is a super cool TTS model, which can be fine-tuned with Unsloth.
Yes. So in this model, so what we did it right, we have taken a model and fine tune with Unsloth. It's more into the resource efficiency and speed and compatibility, which is user friendly. And I hope you like the series. And if you wanted to help me in terms of like fine tuning your models, and I'm happy to do that. Thanks for watching. Thank you.